In any 555 IC, it is basically a monolithic timing circuit that produces accurate and highly stable time delay or oscillation when compared to applications of operational amplifier. In same areas, a 555 IC is also equally reliable and is cheap in cost. Apart from this monostable multivibrator and astable multivibrator, a 555 timer can also be used in DC to DC converters, voltage generators, and so on. It is used in the temperature range between 0 to 70 degrees Celsius. Let us see the pin specification. Pin 1 is ground terminal. In this terminal, all the voltages are measured with respect to ground terminal. Pin 2 is trigger pin. The trigger pin is used to feed the trigger input. The 555 IC is set up as monostable multivibrator. This pin is an input of comparator and also responsible for transistor or flip-flop from set to reset. Pin 3 is output terminal. There are two ways in which load is connected to output terminal. One way is to connect between pin 1 and pin 3 and another way is to connect between pin 3 and pin 8. Pin 4 is reset terminal. Whenever the inner IC is reset, the negative pulse applied to pin 4 called reset terminal. Pin 5 is control voltage terminal. The threshold and trigger levels are controlled using this pin and external voltage applied to this pin can also be used to modulate the output waveform. Pin 6 is threshold terminal. It is non-inverting input terminal of comparator 1 which compares the voltage applied to terminal with respect to voltage reference, 2/3 of VCC, amplitude of voltage applied to terminal, responsible for state flip-flop. Pin 7 is discharge terminal. It is connected internally to collector of transistor and mostly a capacitor is connected between this terminal and the ground. Pin 8 is supply terminal. A supply voltage of plus 5 volt to plus 18 volt is applied to terminal with respect to ground.